history and theory. Distant tales on how it was, revisions with the bit of that. Up and down my power, don't on how it was on river. If they can't get them wells, even they're christening. Ship up turned on a mirror, all the ends are listening. Dripping in a jellyfish scale, back the oven with some setting. And forget it, cause I'm steady on that other shit. Covering, amity, tambourine, war cry. Hit them with the rhythm of that Ithaca. Short line, more time needed to be seated and assembly. We come to take the lunchroom and the muscles made a sense of me. From the ground where they have chicaneos and mouthfuls of millet turn to scaffolds and staples. Gaps full of village voice and the noise beating chains. Death be a filler's point, kill the noise briefcase. And your teammates, cherries on a chalkboard. Got a bro ready just to carry round his own score. Encore, shredding the rest of your own face when the best of your options are sopping in propane. Rocking your own chain, a problem you can't solve with some years and a clear spirited phone calls. Dealers on robots, whacking your night off, forbidden your own goals. Well, not at the drop floor, rocking the sack toys with the rubbed off toolies on the way to fake bags. They got stuck on twosies, nothing is blue.